What is the question?
The question is, how can he be in the goodness?
How is in goodness?
Yeah, he talks with Rama.
Huh?
How is possible Vishva Pitamaha is the he represents Guru Sevak in Sattva Guna if he fought with his Gurudev Parashuram?
Sattaguna, he don't want to marry, but his Guru told me you have forced to marry. Huh? You understand? For this regard, he is saying this. And everything this is the desire of Krishna. Krishna Ichha. How possible this Leela will be ahead? Understand? I already told Bhishma Pitamaha. Bhishma Pitamaha also is Mahajan, among of the 12 Mahajans. So among of the 12 Mahajan Bhishma Pitamaha, he knows this thing, but everything is like Krishna's desires. Mahabhagavat, sometimes Mahabhagavat, whatever is doing by performing, there is the desires of Krishna. Okay? These are things. Already I told Bhishma Pitamaha, already he took vow. He will not marry. But why did he kidnap the 3 princes of King Kasiraj? He knows everything, but maybe this is the Leela. Understand? Bhishma Pitamaha taking in this large Sattik Sevak because his Gurudev forced to him to marry, but he told no, I will not marry. I kidnapped to them for my brother.
Estou falando português 107. 107.
Understand? This is the main. Another weird question. Huh?
¿Alguien tiene alguna pregunta?
How we must offer pray to Gauranga Mahaprabhu?
How will?
We must pray. How we pray to Gauranga Mahaprabhu?
We will pray to Mahaprabhu.
Yeah.
How will pray? You pray from coming from your inner court of heart. What are your desires? In your desire will come from inner court of heart, you can pray. Chaitanya Chandra Mama Hit Kamudam Vikas. He Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please you manifest. My heart is as like lotus. Lotus. Kumud means lotus. Which lotus? Night-time lotus. 2 kinds of lotus blossom. One lotus in daytime, when sun rises, there lotus blossom. Or another lotus blossom in the night time. So here in this sloka you see Chaitanya Chandra Mama Hit Kumudam Vikas. Chaitanya Chandra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is as like moon. Sadhak is thinking my heart is as like lotus. Which lotus? Night time. Kumuda. Chaitanya Chandramukhi Hit Kumudam Vikas. And Prabhupada, then I will, when the moon rays coming, the lotus blossom. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you manifest my heart, then all my anarthas, unwanted things, will be removed from my heart. These types of prayer you can pray. So saying Chaitanya Chandramukhi Hit Kumudam Vikas. Though my heart is full of lust, anger, enviousness, but only your causeless mercy, all these unwanted things, anarthas will be removed from our heart. These things. So we pray to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu this. But when Lord Chaitanya will receive your prayers, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not direct receive your prayers. You have to pray to Guru, then Guru will be pray on behalf of you. Vaishnaver avedane Krishna dayama ehana pamarapati havena sada. Vaishnaver avedane, by the causeless mercy of Vaishnava, then Krishna will listen our prayers. You understand? This is the process. If you direct pray, Krishna will not listen. So Vaishnaver avedane Krishna dayama ehana pamarapati havena sada. Do you know this Kirtan, Bengali Kirtan? Fala.
Esse verso diz o seguinte, que o Bhaktivinoda Thakur está dizendo que eu vou chegar para os Vaishnavas e eu vou mostrar para eles como eu estou sofrendo muito da existência material, e ao ver o meu sofrimento, os Vaishnavas eles vão orar para Krishna por mim, e aí sim Krishna vai ser misericordioso comigo.
This is the process. You have to pray. Whose question here?
Alguma pergunta?
Pode fazer e aí você repete. Em alguns textos, no verso baiano, não consigo nem falar. E que a Bíblia de Chico Teatro. A gente observa a Gurudeva como as próprias histórias. Em outros textos, em outras explicações, tem como assim a gente, o Gurudeva com nossa própria vida e alma. É uma diferença. Minha própria vida e alma e o outro
In this sloka, Bhayam Dvita Bineveshatasyat, also saying like Guru is like Ishvara, like God, but at the same time like your heart and soul, like your life and soul. How to reconcile it?
What is it?
Guru is like Ishvara, and also at the same time some another parts of the
What is
Vedas
saying?
saying like Guru is like your heart and soul. And how?
What is the slok?
Bhayam Dvita Bineveshatasyat.
Ayam ditya vinisa sat isad petissa viparja asmiti tarmat buddho avartam gurudevata atma. Bhayam ditya vinisa. Bhayam means fear. When our fear coming? When you turn our face from Krishna to Maya. चितकन जीव कृष्ण चिन्मय भास्कर नित्य कृष्ण देही करेन आदर भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर जीव is spontaneous nature to serve to Krishna. चितकन जीव कृष्ण चिन्मय नित्य कृष्ण देखी करेन आदर. But when जीव was contaminated with the Maya, and he turned his face from Krishna to Maya, then fear coming. Fear coming only when we turn our face Krishna to Maya, then fear coming. So saying Bhayang Ditya Bhinsa Sad Isado Apetasya. Isa means Bhagavan. Apetasya when our face transferred from Krishna to Maya, then the fear is coming. So Bhayang Ditya Vinishita Sad Isada Apetasya Viparja Vismriti. Then we forget to serve to Krishna. Vismriti means we forget. When we forget to serve to Krishna? Now when our face turn from Krishna to Maya, and this is the duty of Maya Devi also. When you turn your face Krishna to Maya, then Maya, she makes forget all your remembrance or serve to Krishna. Ishado apitasya viparja asmiti. Tanmaya to budho. Buddha means the sober person, intelligent person. To the Guru Devata Atma. When the sober person and completely surrender to Gurudev and thinking Gurudev is my heart and soul. Here not saying, you are saying that Gurudev is called?
Isvara.
You are not saying Ishwar. Ishwar is saying this word when you turn from Ishwar to Maya. This verse is explaining Bhayang Ditya Abhinivisa Sat Isad Apitas Isad Bhagavat Bhagavan se. That means when we turn our face from Krishna to Maya, then fear coming and Maya Devi see also completely makes forget to Krishna. And also we are viparjit. Viparjit means and many kinds of obstacles are coming. So bhayang ditya vinisata isadu petasya viparjit asmi. Tanmayata. Tanmayata means this is the Maya of Krishna, Krishna's Maya. Not others Maya, Krishna Maya. Two kinds of Maya. One is called Jiva Maya or another is called Pala. Jiva Maya and Ishwar Maya. Ishwar Maya. Jiva Maya, Jiva is when turn his face from Krishna, there is Jiva Maya and making many kinds of illusion. This is the duty of Jiva Maya. Jiva Maya, that Maya who creates the different kinds of fear and illusion to the Jiva, that is the Jiva Maya. Or another is another Maya who creates this material world. And two things. Here the Jiva Maya's duty to make the illusion, the soul. Many types of duty. And say as like Pisachini, ghost. Or another Maya, she also creates different kinds of entertainment and these things. First coming illusion, then coming different types of enjoying mood, these things. So now so for the Bhayang Ditya Abhinivisa Sat Isad Apitas Viparjaya Tanmaya. When Jivas will get the association of sadhu sangha, then he realize his own situation. When you realize your own situation, what is your situation? Yeah, how am I suffering the three folds of Maya? When you will not realize that I am in the Maya, that time you have no faith, nothing. If anybody suffering in this material world, everybody is saying, how are you? If you ask, how are you? He is saying, I am fine. I am fine. No one say, I am
suffering.
I am suffering. Are you feeling? Are you feeling any suffering? You are feeling, but you are not saying. This is because this is the nature of this material world. Our Maya creates these types of illusion also. Then further regard, everybody saying, I am fine. But sadhu guru saying, not, you are not fine. You are, what is it called? Suffering, frying. You are not fine. What you are? You are?
Frying.
What is it? You are frying, you know? Actually, this is the truth. This is that. So, saying Bhayang Ditya Vin Visasad Isadu Pratisya Viporjat Tanmat. Buddha Abhajattam Gurudevata Atma. Here Buddha means, what did he say Buddha? Sober person, intelligent person. Intelligent person, then he discriminate and how is good, what is good and what is bad. Then he completely surrender lotus feet of Guru. Guru Devata Atma. Guru Devata Atma means, if this Gurudev is my, what is called? Perfect benefactor. And he is, only he will can protect you, me from Maya. So the Guru Devata Atma. And another Guru Devata Atma, that means so much love and affection, mamata with Gurudev. Gurudev is my, as like heart and soul. Understand? Which part of body you are very love and affection with it? Heart. This time. 1 second your heart, stop. Then what happens? They will die. Maybe you can live in a, you can live in this, you can stay in this material world without drinking water couple days. And couple days without eating, without sleeping, you can survive yourself. This is all. But 1 second, your heart fail, then fail. Heart fail, my heart is not working. So that means in this body, heart is very important in our this body. So in the same way, in this verse, Guru Devata Atma. That time the sober person is thinking, Gurudev is as like my Atma. And this mamata is coming. Gurudevata. Abhajittam. Abhajittam means? Means direct. Bhajittam means to serve. That means he serves his Gurudev with love and with mamata and love and affection. Understand? This one. Then you can conquer Maya and attain to Lord. This is the process. Or another?
Gurudev, why I cannot completely surrender myself to Guru, and how do I change this?
You ask yourself. Because you don't want to give up your independency potency, Satantra. When you will give up your independency, Satantrata. Understand? And when you give up the independent Satantrata, then you surrender to Guru and Krishna. This is the process. Otherwise, and another thing, Maya is very powerful. Not so easy to conquer the Maya. So for this guy, Krishna says to Arjuna, what this look? Devi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Duratta Mame Vaja Pravadante Maya Me Tang Taranti. My Devi Maya is very powerful. Devi Jesa Gunamai. गुणमयी माया, सत्व रज तम गुणमयी माया है, त्रिगुणात्मिका माया। थ्री मीन्स थ्री, गुण आत्मिका है। So Trigunatmika Maya, Sattva, Raja, Tama, Trigunatmika Maya. She is very powerful. No one can conquer to her. So Krishna saying, Devi Jesaya Gunai Mama Adutta, Mame jo prapadyante, Mam Eva. One who completely surrendered to me. And without surrender to Krishna, you cannot conquer to me. But here also, again also explain, how to conquer to Krishna, how to completely, absolutely surrender to Krishna. And you first surrender to Guru Path. This is the process. Guru, he, actually Krishna, he appears in the form of Guru. Understand? These are the things. Guru, Krishna Guru Rupe Sikhan Bhakta. Krishna appears in front, Krishna appears in the form of Guru in front of the jivas. Mayabadda jiver nahi Krishna smriti gyan. Jiver kripai Krishna koilo Vedadi Puran. Conditioned soul, they have no idea about soul, even they have no idea about this body. Understand? Modern people, they don't know what is this body. We are many years associated sadhu and listening for this regard, we are saying, oh, this body, I am not this body, I am soul. Just this using this one. And this body also made by how many elements? Five elements. If you ask to mundane people, they have no idea. What is the five elements? Many people, they don't know. This thing. So, but with the surrender to Guru, then you realize these things. That means what? Without surrender to lotus feet of Guru, you cannot surrender to Krishna. Only the difference is the Guru and Krishna difference is what? Both are called also Bhagavat Tattva. One is called Visay Bhagavan, another is called Asray Bhagavan. Gurudev is called Asray Bhagavan. And Krishna is called Visay Bhagavan. What is the Asray Bhagavan? Asray Bhagavan means shelter of divine love. And Visay Bhagavan, object of the divine love. And Bhagavan Krishna, Visay Jate Bhagavan, he is duty, he is the supreme enjoyer. Remember these things. And Visay Bhagavan means he is the supreme enjoyer. Our Gurudev Asray Bhagavan is not enjoyer, he is also enjoyee. In our Vaishnava philosophy, always discuss these two words, enjoyer and enjoyee. Bhokta or bhogga is Sanskrit word. Enjoyer or enjoyee. So, अकेला पुरुष कृष्ण आर्ष वृत्त जारे जोई छे नाचाय तोई छे करे नृत्य चेतना भागवत वृंदावन. Only one Purush, Krishna. Purush understand? What is Purush? Supreme enjoyer. Supreme enjoyer. That is Purush Abhiman. Krishna always thinks, I am Purush. I am the supreme enjoyer. Except Krishna, everybody also enjoyee. That is called. So we use this word, enjoyer and enjoyee. Bhakta and Bhogga. You understand? You read Jaiva Dharma, this is explained. Akela Purush Krishna Arsha Vritta Jare Jaiche Na Chai Taiche Kare. And Krishna is supreme. And he makes dance to everybody. Even the psychology also explain these things. You may know or don't know, I don't know. Tell to you. Even this body, material body, this body is made by the 5 elements. But you are male or female, that is both things are in this body. What is that? Male and female. Understand? This depends on the percentage, 60% or 40%. And sometimes 70% or 30%. Why I am saying this is also even the conditional soul. Baddha Jiva. Baddha Jiva, if you are male, that time your maybe 60 or 70% your what is called and enjoying mode. Or 30% what is called?
Enjoy.
Enjoy and what is called? Enjoyer and enjoyee. You understand? What do you understand? Follow. Little bit complicated, not complicated. If you understand, very easy. But it is.
If you're a Bharajiva and you're in a male body, you have a tendency, maybe 60%, 70% of being enjoyer, and a 30% approx to be enjoyee.
This is female,
Female
side
mood comes.
and
You have a
male.
female, like a female side.
Yeah.
Everybody has.
Everywhere. Two sides.
Todo mundo tem dois lados.
Huh?
Feminino e masculino.
You understand this thing?
Entendeu?
This is the nature. And sometimes you are thinking I am enjoyer, sometimes I am enjoyee. But Shuddha Jiva's Atma and 100% you are joy. And I am thinking I am enjoying. Enjoying. And Bhogga Abhiman. Bhogga Abhiman means that is called Seva Vritti. Do you understand? Or Bhakta Abhiman, and then you accept the service. This is the nature. Your body, male body or female body, we are not discussing about it. But these types of activities you have. Sometimes you are servicing, or sometimes you are taking the service. Easier to. This is the frustration. And in the same way, those are what is called philosopher. What is philosopher? Monastatic. Psychologist. You also explain this. When your Purusha Abhiman will come, that time you cannot sing, dance, or singing you cannot dance. When your female mood will come, that time dancing, singing, this mood will come. This is also one thing. If you read psychology, somewhere do some different what is called philosophers, Monastattvavid, those who are research about these things, psychology, they explain this also. When you dance, when you sing, when the psychological effect will come. When your Stritva Bhav will come. Stritva Bhav, understand? Feminine activities will come. That time you can dance, that time you sing. Or when your, what is called? Purushattva Abhiman. Purushattva Abhiman, understand? I am male. I am the enjoy. Not possible. Eh? So every human being, also these two things also at a time. Eh? You can see yourself. And sometimes enjoying mood or sometimes enjoyment. Eh? This is the nature. Eh? So why I am saying, because this also analyzed this way, those who are Jnani, Jnani means acquire the knowledge. That time they have what together? The Purushotta Bhav. Purushotta understand? Enjoy the Purushotta Bhav. You understand these things? Because I know everything. These things. Purushotta Bhav. So Jnani is, for this regard, Jnani they will fall down. Why? Because Jnani is always, I am enjoy. Understand? Or Maya is what? Feminine. So for this regard, Jnanis, they automatically what? Attract with Maya. Because they are nature. So for this regard, Jnani, they will fall down. Or Bhakti feminine gender. Or Maya is also feminine gender. Understand? Both also, what is called enjoy mood. Enjoyer and enjoy. Maya Devi, her duty also is seva. But her seva, that is called Bahiranga seva. You understand? Maya Devi, she serves to Lord. Maya Devi, she serves to Lord in external. That is called Bahiranga seva. How to mix the illusion to a jiva. Because this is the instruction of Lord. Maya Devi, Krishna, he gives the instruction to Maya. So Maya Devi, she is servicing this. Or another hand, Bhakti, she also feminine. Or Krishna also gives order to Bhakti Devi to serve those who surrender to him. You understand this philosophy? You understand? So for this, both also and female. Who? Bhakti and Maya. And for the Bhakti Devi, she will not, what is called, elucidate or attached with Maya Devi. Because both are also feminine.
Opposite.
Pardon?
Opposite, not opposite.
No, the same.
When we discuss this, Bhakti Devi, she is feminine. Stri. Or Maya Devi is also Stri. So for this regard, Bhakti Devi, she will not fell down, but she will not attach with Maya. You understand? This is the nature. This is the nature. So for this regard, here saying, the Jnanis will be fall down. But those that are devotees of Lord, they will not fall down. Jatpada pankaja palasa vilasa bhakta karmasam gudita udgrantanti santo tadvinno riktamata jato niruddha srota ganastam aranam bhajavasudevam. Srimad Bhagavatam gives the details. Those who are devotee of Lord, just they remembering the feet and Krishna's lotus feet. Many kinds of symbol. 19th symbol in the lotus feet of Krishna. And they can conquer the Maya. And Jnanis, they are so much they are egoistic mood. Always the Jnanis means is what? Egoistic mood. Then Purushotta Bhav comes. Purushotta Bhav, understand? What is a Purushotta Bhav?
Enjoy your mood, male mood.
Male mood. But actually, who is male? Only one male, Krishna. So for this guy Chaitanya Bhagavad, this Chaitanya Bhagavad thinks so. This word is Ekela Purush Krishna. Ar sab vritta. Jare joiche natai taiche kare nitya. Only one Purush, that is Krishna. Krishna is the only one Purusha. Or except Krishna, everything is also us. And Stri. Even Jivas, also Stri Vacha. Suddha Jiva, they are also Stri Vacha. Sakti. Jiva, that is called Sakti. Jiva Sakti. Or Shakti, this word, that is called feminine gender. You understand or no? Shakti, potency, Shakti. Shakti, this word, that is called feminine gender. So Jiva Shakti, Maya Shakti, all these are feminine gender.
All Shaktis.
All Shaktis, yes. All Shakti also feminine. Srimati Radhika, feminine, everything. Or Krishna is called Shaktiman. Understand? So, more and more to analyze Shakti and Shaktiman. That then again you will understand, one is called a rich person. He is rich person. He is rich means he has lot of wealth. Done. So for this regard, Sanskrit word that is called, he is called Dhani. Two words is coming, Dhan and Dhani. Dhan means wealth. Dhani means who has wealth. You understand? So that means he is the, what is called, enjoyer. That is why I have wealth. And automatically what? This mood will come. What mood? I am the enjoyer. These three. Understand? What do you understand? Follow. It's just the technical words and try to understand philosophy.
Krishna is Purushottam. Krishna is Purush. He is enjoyer, the supreme enjoyer. And all Shaktis, they are like Stri, like female.
So why Stri is for female? Because Shakti, this word, feminine gender. Understand? Always remember this Shakti, this word is called feminine. Jiva Shakti, Maya Shakti, all Shakti, Bhu Shakti, Lila Shakti, all Shaktis. Shakti words, this is called also feminine. Shakti. Shakti is coming, Jnana Shakti. All Shakti is only feminine. Jnana and Jnana Shakti is not same thing. Jnana means knowledge. Understand? Just I also explain this. Dhan and Dhani. Dhan means wealth. You have, what wealth you have? Okay, you have wealth and gold. Gold, this is your wealth. Done. You are not gold. That gold belongs to you. You understand? It's a simple way. So you have gold. So for this regard, you are saying, I am wealthy. I am rich. You have car. You have wealth. You have land. Many things. So for this regard, we are saying, you are rich person, Dhani. So try to understand this philosophy. Dhan and Dhani not same thing. Dhan means wealth. Dhani means who that wealth belongs to him. Understand? Gyan and Gyani. Gyan means knowledge. Gyani means who acquires the knowledge. Do you understand? This is that. But Bhagavan, Bhagavan, when you are using Bhagavan, at a time two things. Both things are there. He is Gyani, Gyanivan, Dhani, Dhanavan, everything he is there. Eh? Bhagavan is this way.
Dhani and Dhanavan not same?
Here, in this way, when you apply for the jivas, the difference. But Krishna Bhagavan, he is the embodiment of knowledge. He is the, understand? Jnanam Brahma, Anantam Jnanam Brahma. And Upanishad says, Anantam Jnanam Brahma. He is Ananta. Ananta means unlimited. That is called, what is it called? Ananta. Ananta means endless. No, we use this word. Infinite. Use this word infinite. Infinite means ananta. Infinite minus infinite equal infinite. Because he is ananta. If you minus the ananta, then result also coming ananta. But how possible? Because this is called the achinta sabda, inconceivable. In this material are not possible. Bhagavan Jnanamay or Jnan also. So what is everything? Because he is Bhagavan. Both things also, both contradictory words also at a time he is. Viparitva. He is Jnanavan, Jnani. Everything is there. So for this word Vedanta is what is called, Upanishad explains saying, Anantam Jnanam Brahma. What is Brahma? He is Ananta Jnana. So Krishna is called embodiment of knowledge, Jnanamaya Brahma. And he is also Jnanavan, vast of knowledge. Do you understand?
He is knowledge and also he has knowledge.
Knowledge.
Okay.
You're right. What is he saying? He is the embodiment of knowledge and he has also
He also has knowledge.
vast of knowledge.
Ananta.
Ananta. Contradictory words and only are applied with Lord. Look this. Anantam Jnanam Brahma. What is Brahma? He is Ananta. Unlimited. Endless. Fathomless. He is Brahma. Ananta. And Ananta minus Ananta. Also
Ananta.
Ananta. But how possible? Jiva is not possible. So that means Krishna is also enjoyer, also enjoyee. You understand? Again also explain this. First I told Krishna he is only supreme enjoyer. And except Krishna, everybody also enjoy. Again also established this philosophy. Now Krishna also both. He is enjoyer, also enjoyee. This is only for apply for Krishna, not for others. You understand? This is. So for this regard, but general word we are saying Krishna is called only male. Akela Purush Krishna or Arsa Bhritta Jare Jaiche Nachai Taiche Paramita. For this regard you now again come here. So for this Krishna he dance and makes you dance also. You understand?
I was about to ask about that. In which way Krishna is enjoying?
He is enjoy and he enjoy. He is enjoyer also enjoy. He serves to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika or not?
Yes.
So, servitual mood coming in this rasa vichar. You understand? In Seva Kunja, Smaragara Khandanam Mama Sirasi Mandanam Dehito Pada Pallava Pallava Mudaram. This is Krishna. What mood is he now? Sevak. What is it called? Sevak mood. Though he is Seva Tattva. But he is, what is he doing? Servicing. Massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Look this. For this regard, he is called Rasik Brahma. Before I also told, even our conditional stage, And your male body or female body. And but sometimes your enjoyer mood coming and enjoying mood coming. And then Srimati Radhika come again Srimati Radhika. And Apragita Tattva. And Srimati Radhika sometimes she also gives order to Krishna, massage my feet. Put altar on my feet. So that means external looking Srimati Radhika, she is called what? Enjoyer. Actually Srimati Radhika she is not enjoyer. But according to Leela Rasavicha, for the Krishna's pleasure, for this regard Srimati Radhika she says to Krishna, you have to put altar understand. Berlin, not red liquid. Put. Why? This is the So for this regard, just I also explain. You can see this way. Sometimes your mood coming, enjoyer mood, sometimes enjoying mood coming. Or Gyanis, those are Gyanis, they are always moody is what?
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy. For this regard, Maya very quickly catch. Because Purusha Bhima. Or Krishna, he said, Krishna, why Krishna? So Krishna also enjoy mood. Why am I not going? Because Maya is completely opposite. Jaha Krishna, taha nahi Maya adhikar. Krishna Surya Sama, Maya Andakar, Jaha Krishna nahi taha Maya adhikar. And this is the thing. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. So Maya Devi cannot come. A Jivas, when the enjoyer mood come, then Maya Devi will come. Because Jiva is very minute. For this Maya very quickly catch. Or Krishna is the supreme. He is called Brahma. Brahma means a Brihan Dhatu. And he is unique and unparalleled. No one can equal to him. You understand? Magnet and iron. And iron, what is called? Attract the what is called? Magnet. Or magnet also is there. Both are doing this. But depend on who's there, who's, what is called?
Polarity.
Huh?
Polarity.
What?
Magnet polarity.
Now, who's bharita? Bhari means? Who is very heavy. He put in here magnet here. Here put in iron. If the iron is very heavy, then iron will not go to the magnet. Then magnet will come. Or if the magnet is very heavy, then iron will go there. Neither. But Krishna, either the Maya cannot come. Because this is the one philosophy is saying. Krishna, Surya Sama, Maya Andakar. Krishna is as like the delightful and blazing sun. Or Maya is completely what? Darkness. So for this Maya cannot come in front of Krishna. This is the process. But in the Rasavichar transcendental world, Krishna at a time, Krishna also is called enjoyer and enjoyee. Both. Or Srimati Radhika, or externally looking Srimati Radhika, she is in the Mana Dasha, but pleasure for Krishna. She is acting the role of enjoyer. And for this Srimati Radhika, she says, hey Krishna, you serve my feet. You massage my feet. You understand this? This is coming in this. Only Vajanandana Samsundar this mood comes. Even Ramchandra not possible. Ramchandra, she will not massage the feet of Sita Devi. Understand? Sita Devi, she can massage the feet of Ramchandra. Because Ramchandra is Bhagavan. Or is Bhagavato. He is thinking, I am Bhagavan. So for this regard, Ramchandra, he takes the service from Sita Devi. And this is the process also. You understand? But Krishna is another way. Because Krishna is called Dhir Lalita Nayak. Dhir Lalita Nayak, for this regard, Krishna, he serves to Srimati Radhika and Gopis. Sarvichar Murka. You may understand or not, but just you listen. Something is better than nothing. How much you understand, this depends on your capacity. Free will, what is it? Because your mouth is covered and not sound not properly to come in. Free will. Free will.
And independence potency are the same thing or different things?
Free will soon. Lord gives us free will. Swatantra Shakti. Understand? But that Swatantra Shakti to apply for Krishna Seva. Lord Krishna, he gives us the Swatantra Shakti, free will. Why? In our free will we can serve to Krishna. If Lord would not give us free will, Swatantra Shakti, we will become inert, jod. You understand? Jayavadama Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Why? And we get this free will, Swatantra Shakti. But this Swatantra Shakti, you have to apply for Krishna. And we misuse this Swatantra Shakti for this coming in this material. We did not serve to Krishna. Free will means is what? To serve to Krishna. You understand? This is the thing. Are there things you misuse? Then Krishna will give, Maya will be punishment. This is that. This stone has no free will. This is called Jada. Jada means inert. Inert and conscious being the difference. What is that? Feeling, willing and knowing power. This stone has no feeling, no willing, and no knowing power. Or conscious beings means is what? These three things. Feeling, willing and knowing. These are. If Lord would not give this free will and three things, feeling, willing, knowing, we will become inert. But that free will, to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. These are the things. Without Krishna Seva, then Maya Seva. You serve to Maya Seva or you serve to Krishna. These are the means. You understand? So Krishna actually did two things. He makes dance and he also dance. So for this thing, Radha nache, Krishna nache. Srimati Radhika, she dance. Okay, Srimati Radhika, she feminine gender. She dance this way. But Krishna dance, how Krishna is dancing? When a Purushotta Bhav, you cannot dance. When a Purushotta Bhav, you cannot sing. This is called psychological effect. Understand? Different, what is it called? Psychologists, they explain this, Manasattva. And in the same our philosophy also here. Who can sing very nicely? And when is Tirtha Bhav will come. Krishna sings and Srimati Radhika, she sings, both. But Srimati Radhika's song or sing is very sweet. Why? The Tirtha Bhav is there. You can see this is the nature. Dancing, singing, everything is depend on Tirtha Bhav. Yes. Understand? Psychological effect, automatically psychological. Jnanis, they just acquire the knowledge. And always they inquire the knowledge. And they also justify this is good, that is bad, and so much thinking. That is called Chintan Shakti. Jnanis means that they have so many, what is called? Thoughts, thinking. What you do, And Jnanis, this is the symptom also. They are always very grave and serious. Understand? Our female mood, not serious. This is the mood color. Many things also. Manasattva, they will discuss these things. That is.
That's why women have more mood of service than men?
Yes. Women mood, ladies mood is the servicial mood. Because this war is coming. All jivas, they have the spontaneous nature. Shuddha Jivatma's nature served to Krishna. Already I told. Jiva di Sakti. Jiva Sakti. That is your feminine gender. Understand? So, feminine means is what? This word is coming from servicial mood. Mother she serves or father serves. You can do different kind. Understand? One male person is servicing, one female person is servicing. Different. Male person not so much mamata, but female mamata kinka. Possession kinka. This is the nature. Even our conditional self, this conditional state, or when you deliver from this material world, Shuddha Atma, I have already told Jeev Shakti. Jiva's spontaneous nature, all these have you. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kabu Noy Pravanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Uday. You have everything. Because you are the eternal servant of Krishna. Just you contemplate with Maya and covered with Maya, and you and Maya three gunas, Sattva-raja-tama guna. So for this regard, egoistic coming. Especially Maya, these two gunas, Tama guna and Rajaguna. Tama guna and Rajaguna, they are not, to what is called, give to servicial mode. Tamaguna, Rajaguna also is what? Destroy mode. When you angry, then destroy everything.
Yeah.
This finger is very bad. Understand? Yeah. When someone speaking, any lecture given, if this finger is moving, this finger, when so much Rajaguna and Tamaguna. This finger is the symbol of Rajaguna and Tamaguna. I see you.
That's why we keep the finger outside.
For this regard, this finger has no service. outside of our four singers, singers, they have service. This service also this is not service. This is what? Egoistic mood. Tamagun also. This is the symptom of tamagun and rajagun. You can say one who speaks Hari Katha, but any Katha. This finger is moving, that means he has so much rajaguna or tamaguna. That I am doer. Rajaguna. Because all these things are depend on psychology. Psychology also is this.
Se Ramachandra, ele é Bhagavan também, por que ele não tem esses dois humores, assim, de desfrutador e desfrutado, sendo que Ramachandra também é o próprio Krishna, né? Daria para perguntar?
Ramachandra, he's also same Krishna, and like a Lord Bhagavattata, so why doesn't he have these also two sides, like female side or male side, like Purusha Bhav and also desire to serve, just like Krishna has inside him?
When you discuss about Krishna, he is Bhagavan, mostly you are. Because Krishna, when you say Krishna, already I do Krishna, dealer is Krishna. And he is Bhagavatta and Bhagavatta less. Or Bhagavatta less. Krishna, when you discuss about Krishna, he is Bhagavatta not manifested always. And Ramachandra, he is Bhagavatta always. Understand? Lokavatu Lila Kaivalam. And Krishna, he performs this Lila, mostly your Bhagavatta Lila. Bhagavatta is also covered. And Lokavatu Lokalila is coming more. Ramchandra opposite. Ramchandra always thinking, I am Bhagavan. This move. Ramchandra is thinking. And for this regard, he is always in his, what is called, Marjada, staying with his rules and regulations. Ragupala Riti Sada Chaliye Prana Jai Baru Bachana Jai. Ramchandra is always this. Because Bhagavatta Prakash. Ramchandra, when you compare with Krishna and Ramachandra, Lord is one. But when the Bhagavatta Prakash, Krishna is less Bhagavatta Prakash. Ramchandra, more Bhagavatta Prakash. Narayan also more. You can say Krishna to Ramchandra, Ramchandra to Dwarkadish, Mathuradish, Vaikundadish, all these things. That Bhagavatta is, when Bhagavatta is more coming, that time he is very serious. This is the Bhagavatta means is, I am the supreme enjoyer. You can come Krishna to Vaikuntha, Narayan, or come Narayan to Krishna. Understand? That means Bhagavatta Prakash, manifestations of his Bhagavatta. Bhagavatta is supremacy. Narayan is supremacy more. Then coming to Ramchandra. Less, coming less. Then Dwarkadish Krishna less. Then more less Bhagavatta. Bhagavatta only Prakash. Understand? Krishna is Bhagavatta. Krishna he manifests Bhagavatta Prakash less. Yes. Bhagavatta is Purna Bhagavan. All they are Purna Bhagavan. But according to, depend on their Prakash. This is the thing. Understand? What did they say? Follow.
Krishna, Krishna no, from Vaikuntha to Golok Vrindavan, they have Bhagavat Prakash. Narayan in Vaikuntha, he has more Bhagavad Prakash. And if you're going from Vaikuntha to Ayodhya, Lord Ramachandra has a little less Bhagavad Prakash from Narayan, from Vaikuntha. Then you go to Dwarka, Dwarkadish Krishna has a little less Bhagavad Prakash. So you go to Vrindavan and Brajendrananda Shyamashundar, he has the less Bhagavad Prakash compared to the other ones.
You are right. Huh? You are putting what? Bhagavad Prakash. Because this manifestation of Bhagavatta, this is the depend on Leela. Do you understand? Narayan has no Leela. Why? Because Narayan not manifested his human activities. All his activities beyond of human being. And he always is what? Always absorbed how to protect the people, how to kill the demons. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Always is busy. And always he holds that 4 arms, 4 hands also. I don't know how he is sleeping. Narayan, he does not sleep completely down. You can see, that is little bit this way. And he never close his eyes also. Little bit close eyes, then close. Understand? Because any time demigod, they will be called, hey Narayan, protect me. Then Narayan will go. Vishnu dare kare asura sanghar. This is the duty of Vishnu. Chaitanya Charitamrita explains Vishnu dare kare asura sanghar. So always Lord Vishnu is very alert and keeping the weapons because he is Bhagavan. Bhagavatta Prakash in there. And Srila, what is his name? Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu, his Grantha. What is his Grantha? Siddhanta Darpan. And in Siddhanta Darpan Grantha, Baladev Vidyabhushan explains this. Narayan's Bhagavatta is higher than Ramchandra. And then coming to Ramchandra to Dwarkadhish. Dwarkadhish to coming Krishna. Krishna's Bhagavatta is there, but all their Bhagavatta is complete. But according to their manifestation, Prakash. And for this regard, Krishna Lila is sweet. Why? Because Krishna performs all his Lila as a human being. Krishna jate khela sarvottam nara Lila. Nara bapu tahar sarup. Gopavesh Venukar. Gopavesh Venukar. Navakishore. Navakishore. Krishna jate khela sarvottam nara Lila. Nara bapu tahar sarup. Gopavesh Venukar. Navakishore natovar. Nara Lilar hoy anurup. Krishna's Lila, why sweet? Why very sweet? Madhur. Why? Because Krishna was the Bhagavatta, he manifests his Bhagavatta less. Very less. Bhagavatta is there, Purna Bhagavatta is there. But he manifests this Bhagavatta less. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. This is a Bhagavatta or not? Yes. Human being, ordinary human being cannot lift Giriraj Govardhan. So Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. This is Bhagavatta. But this Bhagavatta covered with Yogamaya. No one can believe that Krishna and he is Bhagavan or he holds the Giriraj Govardhan. Any Brajavasi, they don't believe. They saw, Dekhilo Oishcharya, Namani Oishcharya. All they saw Krishna's this opulence, Bhagavatta. But they don't believe. Why? Because Brajavasi, especially Subal, Sridham, they are thinking, and you are not holding alone Giriraj Govardhan. Also we support. You are alone. But we are thousand gopas. We also take the stick. Support. For this they don't believe. Only Krishna alone lifted Giriraj Govardhan. This is true or wrong? But Krishna proved, no, only I alone lifted Giriraj Govardhan. How? Then
When he
this
changed.
Leela is coming. Then Subsival Siddham they told, hey, you are not holding. We are also supporting. Then Krishna told, okay, so many hours I hold Giriraj Govardhan. So little by I can change my hand. Just Krishna little bit he was. What is called? Down his hand. Then all the bamboo stick of the sakhas, they also broken. Pat, 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 pat. And Giriraj Govardhan sucking. And all they are thinking Giriraj Govardhan will be, and all they will become finished. They will all they afraid or not. So in this way Krishna proved. Here you are, here sakhas, you are thinking, you are holding and supporting to me. This is not true. Same time Krishna also explain also manifestation is Bhagavatta. This is true or not? This Leela is going on. You understand this thing? But Brajavasi they don't believe. They saw all the opulence of Krishna, but they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan.
Especially Nandamata.
Then Srimati Radhika she is thinking, no, Krishna, you did not hold the Giriraj Govardhan. Who hold Giriraj Govardhan? Srimati Radhika with her glance. And when Giriraj Govardhan start to shake, then when Giriraj Govardhan start to shake, then Srimati Radhika she chastised to Giriraj Govardhan. Hey Giriraj Govardhan,
Não, para Gurudeva Maha.
Then Srimati Radhika she very angry and chastisement to Giriraj Govardhan. Hey Giriraj Govardhan, if you little bit sick, then I will give cars to you and you become this way. This way. There are so many leelas is going on this. And actually who lifted Giriraj Govardhan? Srimati Radhika herself. How? Just Srimati Radhika with her glance. With her glance. Means Srimati Radhika, she lifted Giriraj Govardhan with her own glance. Krishna just is as like also doing this way. As like what is called pose. Pose, understand? Yeah. This is that posing. Actually, who is Giriraj lifted Giriraj? Srimati Radhika with her glance. Look this. Hold means not just do this, they also hold. Control. Understand? Lover and beloved. That is called. Female, beloved. Lover. Which one? What is the female? Lover or beloved? Lover. Okay. Lover seek to hold her beloved. How? With her glance. Hey, don't go here. 1 second here. Stand up. Understand? There is no need to physically. Some also glance. Understand? And when she become angry, she want to swing and her beloved. When she become very angry, she not physically chewing, but not physically biting, but in her exposed pose. That time that he understand. Oh my God. Then you are afraid. Oh my God. Everything is not to the express your words or physically. Some also are express your sentiments. This is true or not? And our Rupa Goswami Pad also explained this way. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she chastised me to Giriraj Govardhan. Hey Giriraj Govardhan, don't say Kega. Always will be as light and heap of cotton. You know? And you can heap of cotton too, very easy, no? Feeling any pain, no evidence. So in the same way, actual I am saying, because our Rupa Goswami Pad explained this way, actually Srimati Radhika, she holds the Giriraj Govardhan with her glance. And externally Krishna just posing. This. Understand? As like drama. Just like you understand? This. Do this. Okay. No, only there you are. Maybe a heap of cotton, that is called Giriraj Govardhan, and do it this way. This is the process. And another Bhagavatta, Giriraj Govardhan, very heavy. So Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Those are pure devotees like Brajavasis. They say no. Krishna, that is the posing. If you ask the gopis, who lifted Giriraj Govardhan? Krishna or Srimati Radhika? Who will? Srimati Radhika. Well, why is Krishna doing this way? If you ask the gopis, why Krishna doing? Well, Krishna only did the pose. As the pose this way. This way. Three-band fold. If Giriraj Govardhan, you can understand this way, very psychological effect you can understand. Have you seen how Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan? What is the pose? Voila. Three-band fold. Understand? If you Giriraj Govardhan very heavy, you will be straight. Oh, very hard. But Krishna not straight. You look this way, psychological effect. Krishna just doing this. It's like dancing pose.
It's like relaxed.
That means this is nothing for him. And he does not also lift a Giriraj Govardhan. Just maybe just posing. If anything very heavy, you also do more. Oof. Krishna, this hand is not straight also. You can see this is dancing position and also this position. Just acting this lila. Yeah, I am holding. Nothing. So Braj Gopis are saying, sometimes Krishna very proud told to the gopis, do you know, I have lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Then gopis say, if you lifted Giriraj Govardhan, what position? Tell to us. If the Giriraj Govardhan is very heavy, so why your hand is not straight? The Krishna hand is not straight. Krishna hand is there. You can see that the picture. This as like this. Understand this? This is all.
He looks relaxed.
Relax, very good. And position this way also. So when you discuss these things, Leela Bhagavatta, Bhagavatta Prakash, the manifestation of supremacy.
Why does he pose like this?
You are not listening, maybe sleeping. I told already, maybe you are not listening, so this question is coming. He is called Dhir Lali Nanak, the dancing pose. Understand? And Krishna is showing, actually Krishna he is what is called? He is not holding the Giriraj Govardhan. That is a pose. Understand? Sometimes, what is called? Giving the pose. Different pose. Understand? Different also their pose. What is called? Many ladies also giving the pose and giving the picture. Huh? Huh? What is called? Model. Huh? That is. Huh? Understand? This is doing okay. This way. And this way. They're taking that many pictures this way. They're putting in the film. Understand? They are in the very nice video all. Actually, this is not. So for this, if you come the side of Gopi's mood, Gopi will get Krishna. Actually, you did not lift the Giriraj Govardhan. If you lift the Giriraj Govardhan, why your hand is not straight? Even though this hand is always this way, this angle. You understand? You can see. And Krishna's hand, Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan this angle, not this angle. You can say, okay, I will have this. Very heavy, okay. So who lifted Giriraj Govardhan? Srimati Radhika. How Srimati? With her. गिरी बरो गिरी अरे गिरी बरो गिरी माने पर्वत बर माने श्रेष्ठ देवने गिरिराज गोवर्धन इज द टॉपमोस्ट एंड माउंटेन तो गिरी बरो गिरी मीन्स पर्वत माउंटेन बर मीन्स श्रेष्ठ देवने गिरिराज गोवर्धन इज द टॉपमोस्ट माउंटेन सो हियर दिस एडजेक्टिव फॉर गिरी बरो दिस एडजेक्टिव फॉर Giriraj Govardhan or Girivara Dhari. Dhari means Krishna lifted the best but topmost mountain Giriraj. For this regard, his name is called Girivara Dhari. Dhari means धारण करना. कृष्ण ने गिरिराज को धारण किया. कौन सा गिरिराज? कौन सा गिरी? टॉपमोस्ट गिरी, बड़े सबसे बड़ा. सो इस गिरिवर धारी मीन्स धारण किया. अरे उन्होंने किया वो तो कैसे बोल देंगे, सबको लोग समझ में नहीं आएगा. हाँ, उस जो है संस्कृत में होता है श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति के ये दिया जाता है, सम्मान दिया जाता है. हाँ समझिए, श्रीमती राधिका, एक्चुअल श्रीमती राधिका, शी ऑलवेज गिव्स रिस्पेक्ट टू कृष्णा. This is the thing. Understand this. Otherwise people they cannot understand. One is called external, another is called internal. Those who are the actual Srimati Radhika she lifted the Giriraj Govardhan. Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan with his what? With his potency Shakti. शक्ति के द्वारा ही तो धारण होता है. और कृष्ण शक्ति कौन है? वही द पोटेंसी ऑफ कृष्ण, श्रीमती राधिका. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. Which things are prominent, always you are speaking. Or who is a very confidential, that should be confidential. This thing. So say Girivara Dhari. Okay, give the respect to Krishna. If anybody want to respect, name, fame, give to him. Krishna, he wants it. Srimati Radhika, she does not want. He doesn't. Krishna, he wants. Okay, take it. You are right. This is all good. Okay, what is your name? 8 o'clock. ब्रज में इसलिए कहते हैं ना, कन्हैया तुम सब करते हो, नाम होता है मेरा. कराते कौन है? कृष्ण। नाम किसका होता है? कृष्ण कराते हैं, नाम होता है मेरा। एक्चुअल एवरीथिंग्स परफॉर्म बाय कृष्ण। दिस इज ट्रू।
इसीलिए भजन ही है मेरा आपकी कृपा से सब काम हो रहा।
Is it true? Huh? This is what huh? What is this? Giriraj Govardhan. Look, Krishna's hand is not straight. Eh? This with this. Look, this angle.
Picture.
Huh?
Yeah.
Or another hand, Krishna is showing, Giriraj Govardhan, showing to Indra. Look, very easy, I can hold the Giriraj Govardhan. Very this way, this way. As like small football. Putting. Many Leela coming.
Gurudev, why human form leelas are sweeter? Why human form leelas are sweeter?
Because they are doing this Leela as like with us. In this material world, we see the automatically our sympathy automatically come. Bhagavat, Bhagavatta, our human being sympathy will come. This is the spontaneous. Understand? It's psychological effect also. You understand?
We feel related.
Yeah, this is coming. And it's very easy to understand also. Bhagavad Lila Katha. Human being Lila, sympathy will come. And that things also, what things are happened in our household life, we'll sing these ways. Here, just to give an example, the mother Jasoda, she chastisement to Krishna, baby Krishna. In the same way, your sympathy is coming, you also chastise your baby. Look like same. If your small baby commit any offense, you chastisement. Or Krishna also commit offense, mother just the chastisement. So both are look like same, for the way attractive he come. And automatically what it is called psychological effect coming, these types of sympathy automatically coming. Nrsimhadev Bhagavan, he killed Hiranyakashipu. Okay, you are looking, but you are not, sympathy not coming. You say, yes, kill him more. Because he is stupid, nonsense, rascal. Sympathy will not come. You have not sympathy with not Nrsimhadev or neither Hiranyakashipu. Sympathy coming. Because Nrsimhadev is Bhagavatta, but he is Bhagavan, he is doing. This is his nature. Nrsimhadev is Bhagavan. So this is his duty to kill the demons. Or what is called? Hiranyakashipu is demon. He have to kill. So no sympathy. But Mother Jasoda, she chastisement to Krishna, baby Krishna, automatically sympathy comes. Why? Because this is then you can also automatically you can apply your own sympathy to Krishna or Mother Jasoda. Because this is as like your son. Human being Leela means this way, sympathy is coming. Bhagavatta Leela, sympathy not coming. Do you understand this? And Main thing is this is another is your mamata, possessiveness. And these things also, many things come. So for this regard, human being lila is more suitable and attractive than the Bhagavat lila. If or Bhagavan he is saying is not longer also. How long Nrsimhadev he was staying?
Just for the lila.
Just few minutes. Not so much. This is true. Just fighting this way. Then Nrsimhadev become very also aggressive mood. They told me, my God, what is this? Stop. What we say, even Brahma, Shiva, all they are afraid. And after killing, what is God? Hiranyakashipu. Nrsimhadev become very angry. Very ferocious mood. And as like lion, after killing the elephant, a lion become very angry. Ferocious mood. In the same way, Nrsimhadev, listen. Nrsimhadev, this mood also. Very ferocious mood. Everybody afraid. Look this. Nobody come in front of Nrsimhadev. Because that time Nrsimhadev manifesting his Bhagavatta Sarup. I am Bhagavan. And looking to everyone. And even Nrsimhadev told to Brahma, hey Brahma! Then Brahmaji completely what is it? And Shivji ran away. Shivji, maybe you will say to me. Or demigod, no one came in front of Nrsimhadev. So how possible sympathy or mamata? But Krishna Lila, look. Mother Jasoda, she tied to Krishna with the rope. Mother Jasoda. The Krishna is shedding tears. As like completely what? And innocent baby. Same Nrsimhadev inside Krishna not.
Yes.
But same Nrsimhadevi Krishna Nrsimhadevi. Because he is same Bhagavan. But now Krishna is acting this life as a completely what? Innocent baby. And tears rolling down this way. And completely helpless. Helpless and hopeless. If you see someone completely helpless and hopeless, automatically your sympathy will come. This is true. So when Mother Jasoda tied to Krishna with the rope, then Krishna was completely hopeless and helpless and shedding tears. Though he is Bhagavan, but he can't to untie the rope of Mother Jasoda. Cannot untie. And he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. He killed demons. Understand? He had innumerable arms. Not he had 2 arms. How many arms? Nrsimhadev, 4 arms. Our same Krishna, he is also Nrsimhadev. Why did not Krishna manifest his 4 arms? 2 arms Mother Jasoda bind. So maybe another 2 arms again open. Why not? But Krishna did not do this. He is Bhagavata not. He is same Narayan or not? And Krishna is also Narayan. But Krishna and Narayan had 4 arms. Okay, Mother Jasoda tied Krishna 2 arms with the rope. So maybe Krishna manifests his Narayan form. Okay, Mother Jasoda, don't worry. I open 4 arms. Not Krishna did not do this. And Krishna completely hopeless and helpless. As like innocent baby. This is called Naravatta Lila. Human being Lila. Bhagavatta inside. In the same Narayan and same Nrsimhadev inside. But he manifests as a human being. Naravatta, Lokavattu Naravatta. Krishna himself manifests 4 arms or not. Again, and another 2 arms manifest. But he did not. He is as a human being. This is Manav Lila. This is called Manav Lila, human being Lila. And if you see someone this is completely hopeless and helpless, automatically your sympathy will come. Sympathy. Eh? So Krishna Lila, if you listen Krishna Lila, then so much sympathy will come also. Eh? For this regard, English word saying, what is it? Sympathy is a golden key which unlock. Eh? Golden key, you know?
Yes.
Certainly. But always is what? That golden key not for the lock. Even your house put the one golden lock, then your house will be safe or not? Fala Portuguese.
No.
You understand? Eh? If your house outdoor, you put on, you are thinking I am a rich person. Okay, I locked my door with the one golden lock. Your house will be safe?
No.
Why not? Because thief will say, no need to enter in his house. Must take this. Still or not? Eh? So same way he has seen this is unlocked. Sympathy is not locked. This is open. But is why they use this word sympathy golden lock? Well, gold is as valuable. In the same way, sympathy is very valuable. Eh? This is the main thing. So saying this, and this is not for using for locking. Eh? Not for locking. Understand? This thing. Eh? Sanatana Goswami give an example, two kinds of blade. You know blade? Saving the blade? Indian blade, innocent. One blade of iron blade. What is called? What is called? Shape for blade. You know? Indian blade is that can cut the hair. Eh? Or another blade, also the golden blade. Very expensive. But the golden blade not for the saving. That is for the sewing the case. You understand this thing? Rich person is go, I have golden blade. Golden blade. But that blade cannot use for. You understand this? So in the same way, sympathy, that is always open and coming from your inner core of heart. So Krishna Lila, all Krishna Lilas is as like the very. If you see, then automatically sympathy will come. Then, just I told Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna, and Krishna, completely innocent baby. Though he is Bhagavan, but he did not express his, manifest his Bhagavatta. And if Krishna is saying 1 second, just do this way, then the rope will be also finished. But Krishna is not. Krishna is Bhagavan. And another thing Krishna is saying, Mother Jasoda, she bind me with her not only rope, Mother Jasoda, she bind me with her Vatsalya Bhav. Vatsalya rope. You understand? So Krishna is thinking, how possible I will untie by breath the rope of my mother Vatsalya Bhav. So Krishna himself accept this thing. This is also. So for this Krishna Lila is very sweet because this Lila is as a human being. Manav Lila. As the Manav Lila, then everybody have to very attraction sympathy come. This is the thing. So Krishna Lila is called a Manav Lila, human being Lila. So for this regard, Chaitanya Krishna jate khera sarvottam nara Lila. Nara bapur tahar sarup. Gopavesh benukar. Nabakishur notavar. Nara Lilar hoy anurudh. Krishna saru vichar suna sanatan. Advaigam tattva praje prajendra nandan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Sanatan, listen Krishna tattva. Krishna is called Advaigan Paratattva. Not Dayam, it is Advayam. He is non-dual. He is one. He is called Ekameva Paramatattam. He is only one tattva. And that is called absolutely truth. Krishna Saru Vichaya Suna Sanatan Advaigan Paratattva. Krishna is called Advaya Jnana Paratattva. Not the material, he is non-dual. And he is Paratattva. He is the absolutely truth. Paratattva Krishna. All Shaktis, all potencies, all Bhagavata inside. But he manifests little Bhagavata. And mostly human being activities. All these are attractive. These things. Look, one person is very grave. You are very afraid to sit in front of him. Or one person very jolly, laughing, joking. Then you will be very closer to him or not? You understand or not? That is the Bhagavata, that means what is called? What is called? This is called? He is very grave. And serious. Or where is the human being? That time, not serious. You sit in front of whom? Who is express his very gravity. He thinking I am the best, and all their stupid nonsense. I am the best, what is called? Knowledge. I have best knowledge. All their stupid nonsense. They are stupid nonsense. So if you see that, you will be also afraid for you. Okay, I or if you see someone very jolly, laughing, joking, and as like mine same level, then you are very close to him. This is true. Krishna also doing this way. Krishna, all Leela is what this way. Krishna is thinking, I am completely innocent. And all they are thinking, and all they are higher than me. Krishna says, Mata more putra bhave kare, lalana palan. And Krishna says, my mother, she thinks I am her very innocent baby. And Krishna acting this role also. Krishna cannot, what is called, turn his body. And pass karani paate. He is Bhagavan. And now Krishna completely innocent. Krishna can to turn his body. Then Mother Yashoda thing and thing this. Krishna cannot sit, as like small baby cannot sit. And Mother sit. And Krishna cannot walk. And Mother Yashoda hold his finger and start to make you walk. Because I am saying, this is a human being Leela. Bhagavata is there, but he is not expressing his Bhagavata. Krishna Mother just, Nanda Maharaj told, hey Gopal, bring my shoes. Then Krishna running, baby Krishna, very quick running. Baby's feet very quick. Sometimes you're falling down. Because baby runs very quick and he does not look where the feet on the ground or the sky. The baby is just and falling down. And Krishna could not also lift Nanda Maharaj shoes. Khadam ko utha nahi pa rahe. And something little bit and falling down. Maybe his Nanda Maharaj and Khadam understand? Paduka. Shoes also on his chest and Krishna falling down. This is who is Bhagavan? Now he could not also. You lifted Nanda Maharaj this wooden shoes. Understand? Then Nanda Maharaj very quickly coming. And going and taking the baby and taking it. Understand? As like your baby, you tell, hey, my son, bring my shoes. And running, then cannot take the shoes and falling down and crying also. Baby is crying or not? Same Krishna doing it. So this, so far the human being Leela, this attract. Madhurya Leela. Bhagavata Leela and Madhurya. Madhurya is special. Good Hari Hari.